We moved to a new campsite in the same park because they shut down the other side of the campground for the season. So this is number 81. It's over here with the area that used to be a tent camping area only, but then they put water and electricity over here. So it's nice. It rained last night. It's supposed to rain all day today. Nice foggy morning, as it were. This is a ADA site, Americans with Disabilities site. And like I said, there's plenty of other sites around, but get over here closer to the camper and then you can see you got this thing and you got another thing to cook over there and this big field here. Did have a neighbor over here, but they left this morning. So it looks like it'll be a rainy day. We've been really busy. Both of us could probably use a quiet day. Maybe inside the camper. And now it's supposed to not rain the rest of the week. Turn off these docking lights here. Have those for somebody over there. That's a nice site over there where they're at, number 78. Very nice. Oh, looks like our little scarecrow guys crashed and burned.